Good morning to all mga bro and kabagis. We'll cook again. Recipe, I will cook spicy loin with banana sauce, ketchup. Yan, pork, loin, garlic, onion, salt, Malayan salt, ground pepper, all teaspoon. Half teaspoon basil and tarragon leaves and 3 chili and banana sauce. This one is not good for health. This cut it. Slice it thin slice. Do you slice the meat? Wash it first. Slice it. The meat, garlic, onion, the salt, ground pepper, tarragon leaves, basil leaves, then cover it. Open it. And put 1 shot of chow mein wine. Cover it until it becomes tender. Open it. Add red wine. 1 shot of red wine. Shot. Oh man. This one banana ketchup. This one is the tender sweetness. Almost done. We'll taste it. Tasty. We're done already. this here. Put fried garlic. It's the fried garlic. See? Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Be safe always.